सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की सुसाइड के मामले में बांद्रा पुलिस और अब बिहार पुलिस कई लोगों के स्टेटमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड कर रही है। इस मामले की तहकीकात करते करते अब काफी समय बीत चुका है, लेकिन अब भी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के प्रशंसक और उनसे जुड़े हुए लोगों को इंसाफ मिलता नहीं नजर आ रहा। बॉलीवुड एक्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत was found dead at his Mumbai residence on June 14th. Since then, the whole narrative of Sushant's death case changed when his father KK Singh lodged an FIR against his son's girlfriend Riya Chakraborty and accused her of abetment of suicide. Now, in an interview with Republic, Sushant Singh Rajput's friend Siddharth Pitani recently made a statement that contradicts those made by Sushant's staff members. While Siddharth revealed he gave Sushant his medicines, the bodyguard and cook mentioned that it was Riya Chakraborty. अब जाहिर सी बात है कि बयानों में इतने बड़े फर्क की वजह से जाहिर सी बात है कि लोग उन पर शक जरूर करने वाले हैं। दोनों में से कोई एक ही सच कह सकता है या फिर शायद दोनों ही झूठ बोल रहे हों। लेकिन अब आने वाला समय ही बताएगा कि कौन सच्चा था और कौन झूठा। Sushant's friend Siddharth Pitani revealed during the interview with Republic that he did not know anything regarding the actor's mental health or the medicines that he was taking, but disclosed that he was the one who would administer 2 tablets of some medicine to the late actor every day. While Siddharth Pitani mentioned that it was him and not Riya Chakraborty giving Sushant the medicines regularly, his statements contradicted to the testimony by the staff. Sushant Singh's bodyguard said in his statement with the channel that the medicines that the late actor took were requested to be brought by girlfriend Riya Chakraborty. The bodyguard said that the medicines that Sushant was consuming were highly recommended prescription drugs, and mentioned how the owners of the drugstore would look at him suspiciously whenever he would run the errand of fetching the medicines for Riya Chakraborty. On the other hand, Sushant's cook mentioned that it was Riya who used to give the actor the medicines and also revealed that he was always asleep. The cook clearly said, Riya ma'am used to bring medicines. She would give him the medicines also. सिद्धार्थ पिथानी के अलावा कोई और भी था जो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ रूम शेयर कर चुका था, जो कि सुशांत को बड़ी करीबी से जानता था। He was Sushant's ex-flatmate Samuel Hokip, who has shared his views and spoken about Sushant's death in an interview with Republic. Speaking to Arnab Goswami, Samuel spoke at length about his bond with Sushant and more. He even spoke about Sushant's producer friend Sandeep Singh, who carried out all the processes after the actor was reportedly found hanging in his apartment. Samuel Hokip revealed that he had not heard of Sandeep's name when he was with Sushant. Samuel, who stayed with Sushant from October 2018 to June or July 2019, described Sushant as a lively person, contradicting the depression theory that is being constructed around the late actor. He said, "Not my assessment of Sushant at all. Till I was there, he was a very lively person. He'd be like, let's do meditation and play TT. He taught me so much. We were always happy in the moment doing something creative. The day would not end and it was spiritual in a way." Samuel also revealed that he tried to contact everyone he knew post Sushant's death but managed to speak only to cook Neeraj. "I tried to contact everyone I knew. The only person I could get hold on was the housekeeper Neeraj, and he also gave me the version there in the media. I can't just take their words for sure. I really want a thorough investigation because I really want to know what really went wrong." He mentioned exchanging a few texts with Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pitani as well. मुंबई पुलिस के बाद अब बिहार पुलिस भी इस मामले की कार्रवाई के लिए पूरे जोरों शोरों से मेहनत करते हुए नजर आ रही है। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत सुसाइड मामले में काफ़ी सारे लोग भी सामने आते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। लोग जल्द से जल्द इंसाफ की उम्मीद कर रहे हैं। अब आगे क्या होगा ये तो आने वाला समय ही बताएगा। आपका इन मुद्दों के बारे में क्या सोचना है और इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज़ और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.